Welcome to Basics of Online Trading with Capital Trust ATRAD system. Login details. When the account has been created, you will receive an email with the first time login details. Please make sure to follow the instructions in the email. Upon entering your first time password, you will be asked to enter a password of your choice. Note that if you enter an incorrect password thrice, for security reasons, the account will get locked and you will have to send a request email to it@capitaltrust.lk to get it unlocked. Basic features. So now let's go through some of the basic features in the system. On the top left-hand corner, you can see the reading of the All Share Price Index, which measures the market performance of the entire market. Just below the index details, you will see the ticker. Every transaction that gets executed is displayed on the ticker. For each transaction, the stock code, the executed number of shares, execution price, and the difference from the previous day's closing price is displayed on the ticker. If the transaction is displayed in green, it means today's price is higher than the previous day's closing price. If the transaction is displayed in red, today's price is lower than the previous day's closing price. If it's white, there is no change to the previous day's closing price. Below the ticker is the watch list. At your first login, the system will load a default list of stocks which can be changed according to your preference. If you wish to load all the securities, click on Watch and select Full Watch Equity from the drop-down menu. If you wish to create your own customized list of stocks as a watch list, click on Watch and select Custom Watch from the drop-down menu. To add a security, right-click on an existing security or click on the menu sign on the left and select Add Security from the drop-down menu. The Add Security Watch window will be displayed. Type the code on the search bar and then click on Add. Buying and selling shares. In order to buy or sell, first you need to open the market depth of a security. To open the market depth, click on the menu sign next to the respective security, or right-click on the respective security and select Market Depth from the drop-down menu. The market depth has two sides. The left side displays the buyer's side, and on the right, the sellers are displayed. On the top of each side, you will see the total number of bids or asks. On the buyer's side, orders with the highest bid price will be displayed at the top. On the seller's side, orders with the lowest offer price will be displayed at the top. To purchase shares, double-click on the seller's side. A buy ticket window will be opened. Enter the quantity and the price you wish to purchase. By default, your order will be valid only for a single day. If you wish to change the order validity period by changing the options in the TIF or Time in Force drop-down menu, you can do so. As explained earlier, by default, your order will be a day order. GTD, or a Good Till Day option, allows you to change the validity period between 1 to 5 market days. GTC, or Good Till Cancel option, allows you to make your order valid up to 5 market days. On the right of the buy window, it displays your buying power, which is the upper value of the value of the orders you can enter. To proceed with the purchase, click on the Buy button at the bottom. A confirmation message will be prompted. Carefully read through and confirm the order. To sell shares, double-click on the buyer's side of the market depth. A sell ticket window will be opened. Enter the quantity and the price you wish to sell. To proceed with the sell order, click on the Sell button at the bottom of the window. A confirmation message will be prompted. Carefully read through and confirm the order. In order to view the buy and sell orders you have already entered, click on Orders and select Order Blotter from the drop-down menu. The orders you have entered will be displayed in the Order Blotter. If you wish to amend the order you entered, click on the Amend button on the extreme left of each order. If you wish to cancel the order, click on the Cancel button on the left of each order. Account information. If you wish to check a summary of your account, you may view the account summary. To open the account summary, click on Client from the menu bar and select Account Summary from the drop-down menu. This will provide a summary of all the important values related to your CDS account, such as the total cost, the market value, and the gain or loss of the portfolio, the cash balance positive or negative, your buying power, and the order limits. These are some of the key information that is displayed on the account summary. If you wish to check your account statement, click on Client and choose Account Statement from the drop-down menu. The account statement displays all transactions made to the account, which are purchases, sales, receipts, and withdrawals. Note that your purchases and sales will have a date of execution on the left-hand side and the settlement date on the right. The settlement date will always occur 3 market days from the transaction date. If you wish to download your account statement, click on the Print button on the right. Another statement you could access is the Portfolio statement. To access your portfolio, click on Client from the menu bar and select Portfolio from the drop-down menu. Each column in the portfolio statement will provide useful information related to the stocks you have purchased, such as the security code and quantity, the average price, which will indicate the average cost of a share you have bought, inclusive of the buying side brokerage. The BES price, or the break-even selling price, will indicate the price at which you could sell without making a loss or a profit. The total cost of the shares, the current traded price of the shares, the current market value of the shares, the holding percentage, or in other words, the percentage exposure into such share in relation to the total portfolio, the sales proceeds, the value you will receive if you sell the shares excluding the selling side brokerage, the value of the total unrealized gain or loss of an investment made into a security, the percentage unrealized gain or loss of an investment made into a security, and the unrealized gain or loss for the day for a given security. Mobile version. There is also a mobile version of the system. If you wish to switch to the mobile version, follow the following instructions. Click on the settings icon on the top right-hand corner and choose Switch from the drop-down menu and select Mobile. If you have already logged in through the ATRAD mobile application, by default, the mobile version is what is displayed. In the mobile version, you can see the following options at the bottom of your screen, namely Market Info, My Watch, Order List, and Portfolio. Market Info will provide you a summary of the market's performance for a given day. My Watch will load a watch list with a list of stocks. If you wish to add any securities to this list, type the company name or the security code on the search bar and select the relevant stock. To view the market depth of a security, click on the relevant security. The order list will display the orders you have already placed. To amend or cancel an order, click on the right arrow button on the right and select the relevant option. The portfolio will display a summary of your portfolio. If you wish to check the detailed portfolio, click on the button at the top left-hand corner of the page. To access some additional features, click on More. Thank you.